Hey guys, I'm Clyde, and this is not my shop. This is actually my bedroom at work. Today I've got a video for you on the expansion of my shop. So I'm adding on to the side of the building. I've got a 20 by 50 foot project that I'm planning right now. It's going to be a slab followed by a lean-to type of building added to it where I'll close it in and make an enclosed area to work and store junk in. We had to move quite a bit of dirt. We did it in the afternoon. We got 3 of us out there doing it, my brother-in-law, me, and his son. And a huge shout out to them for helping out with that. That got quite a bit of work done and saved me quite a bit of money doing that as well. We were able to move about 2 truckloads of dirt and level up an area that dropped off in the back corner, about 2 feet or so, over 20 feet. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, like and subscribe. Got plenty of mediocre content coming your way.